First, accessibility should be considered during the design, not retrospectively. When you start a lesson plan, you can consider the potential barriers of the resources, technologies, and materials you are using. You can also consider ways in which the material, resource, or technology may be enabling for your learners. Considering the costs and benefits of using the material, resource, or technology in terms of accessibility in your lesson plan allows you to better analyze your students' needs during the lesson. Considering and addressing these needs is a large part of planning with accessibility in mind. Secondly, assistive and accessible technologies can be used to support accessibility. Both can be used to make lessons more accessible. Assistive technologies can support students with disabilities specifically with their functional needs in the classroom, such as with communication, for example. Accessible technologies are those like Zoom Text that are not specifically designed for individuals with disabilities, but which can provide accessibility. Thinking about how you can use accessible and assistive technologies in your lesson plan is a facet of making it more accessible. Finally, using POUR can help you make sure your lesson plans are more accessible. The POUR framework helps you identify elements of the technology, material, or resource you plan to use that are accessible, and also those where there is room for improvement. In some cases, you may be able to create additional resources for students or be able to make alterations for accessibility. In other cases, these challenges may be harder for you to deal with on your own. It is our hope that learning when to consider accessibility, thinking about accessible and assistive technology, and using the POUR framework will enhance your computer science-related lesson planning in the future. Thank you for your attention.